Ethereum. Ethereum. Ethereum is a popular cryptocurrency platform. Ethereum is a popular cryptocurrency platform. Ethereum allows smart contracts to run on its blockchain. Ethereum allows smart contracts to run on its blockchain. Ethereum's value has fluctuated in recent months. Ethereum's value has fluctuated in recent months. Operating income. Operating income. Operating income increased by 15% last quarter. Operating income increased by 15% last quarter. The company's operating income improved due to higher sales. The company's operating income improved due to higher sales. Operating income reflects the profit from core business activities. Operating income reflects the profit from core business activities. Operating cost. Operating cost. The company reduced its operating costs by 10%. The company reduced its operating costs by 10%. Operating costs include wages, utilities, and supplies. Operating costs include wages, utilities, and supplies. Reducing operating costs helps increase profitability. Reducing operating costs helps increase profitability. Operational risk. Operational risk. Operational risk arises from failures in internal processes. Operational risk arises from failures in internal processes. The company works to minimize operational risk. The company works to minimize operational risk. Operational risk can affect a company's efficiency. Operational risk can affect a company's efficiency. Operating cash flow. Operating cash flow. Operating cash flow is essential for day-to-day operations. Operating cash flow is essential for day-to-day operations. The company had strong operating cash flow this year. The company had strong operating cash flow this year. Positive operating cash flow indicates good financial health. Positive operating cash flow indicates good financial health. Working capital. Working capital. Working capital is needed to cover short-term liabilities. Working capital is needed to cover short-term liabilities. The company has sufficient working capital to expand. The company has sufficient working capital to expand. Working capital is a key indicator of liquidity. Working capital is a key indicator of liquidity. Impact investing. Impact investing. Impact investing focuses on both financial returns and social good. Impact investing focuses on both financial returns and social good. The company is exploring impact investing opportunities. The company is exploring impact investing opportunities. Impact investing supports sustainable and socially responsible projects. Impact investing supports sustainable and socially responsible projects. Accrual. Accrual. Accrual accounting records revenue when earned, not when received. Accrual accounting records revenue when earned, not when received. The company uses accrual accounting for accurate financial reporting. The company uses accrual accounting for accurate financial reporting. Accruals help match expenses with the revenues they generate. Accruals help match expenses with the revenues they generate. Taxable property. Taxable property. Taxable property includes real estate and certain personal assets. Taxable property includes real estate and certain personal assets. The government taxes taxable property to fund public services. The government taxes taxable property to fund public services. Taxable property is subject to various local taxes. Taxable property is subject to various local taxes. Taxable event. Taxable event. Selling an asset may trigger a taxable event. Selling an asset may trigger a taxable event. A taxable event requires you to report gains to tax authorities. A taxable event requires you to report gains to tax authorities. Inheritance is often a taxable event. Inheritance is often a taxable event.